Good evening. Welcome to the restaurant.
Good evening.
How are you tonight?
I'm good, thank you.
Table for one?
Yes, please.
Please follow me.
This place looks very nice.
Thank you. We're glad you like it. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Here is the menu.
Thank you very much. Oh, this is difficult. I don't understand many of these words. Everything sounds new to me. I feel confused.
Are you ready to order?
I'm sorry, I'm not ready yet.
That's okay.
I can't read the menu very well.
No problem. I can help you.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
What kind of food do you usually like?
I like simple food.
Do you prefer chicken, vegetables, or pasta?
I like chicken and vegetables.
Then I recommend the grilled chicken.
Is it spicy?
No, it is mild.
That's good.
It comes with rice and vegetables.
That sounds nice.
Many guests enjoy it.
I feel a little better now.
Take your time.
Thank you for being patient.
Of course. Do you have any questions?
Yes, I do.
Go ahead.
What is this dish here?
That is pasta with cream sauce.
Is it heavy?
It is a little rich.
I prefer lighter food.
Then soup might be good.
What kind of soup do you have?
Vegetable soup?
Is it hot?
Yes, served warm.
I like warm soup.
It's comforting.
That sounds nice. What does grilled mean?
It means cooked over heat without frying.
Oh, I understand.
Do you prefer fried food?
Not really.
Then grilled chicken is perfect.
Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome.
I feel less confused now.
That's good.
I think I'm ready soon.
Take your time.
Okay, I'm ready.
Great.
Hello? Are you ready to order? Yes, I am. What would you like? I would like the grilled chicken, please. Good choice. And vegetable soup. Sure. Does it come first? Yes, the soup comes first. Perfect. Would you like a drink? Yes. We have water, juice, and tea. I will have water. Still or sparkling? Still water, please. Anything else? No, that's all. Your food will be ready shortly. Thank you. Here is your vegetable soup. Thank you. This is very warm and tasty. Here is your grilled chicken. It looks delicious. Enjoy. This is really good. How is everything? Wonderful. I'm glad you like it. Thank you for the service. You're welcome. Would you like dessert? No, thank you. I'm full. Would you like the bill? Yes, please. Here you go. Thank you. Can I pay by card? Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you for helping me today. You did great. I was nervous at first. That's normal. Now I feel confident ordering food in English. That's wonderful to hear. I appreciate your kindness. We hope to see you again. I would like that. Have a nice evening. You too. Ordering food is easier than I thought.